Has your Whirlpool oven experienced this symptom? You press the bake button, the message shows feature not available. This short video will show you how to fix this problem. Let's dive into it. For safety, unplug the power first. I took off the back cover. It looked like this. After you try recycle the power or reset the circuit, no luck, it still doesn't work. Next to do is to check all the connections to make sure they are secure. Before you check the most expensive, the control board, start with the cheap one, the external component, temperature sensor. After I disconnect the connectors, I insert 2 thin wire into the connectors, and then use the multimeter to measure if the resistance at normal range for that sensor. Touching 2 probes together, make sure the meter is working. Use the multimeter probe alligators, hook up the 2 fine wire, and see if the sensor is okay. You can see right now it's open, so the sensor is bad. I ordered this sensor online. I will put model number and the link in the description below. Take out the malfunction sensor. And then insert the new sensor and tighten it up. Insert 2 thin wire into the connector again. And then hook up the multimeter alligators. You can see the sensor's ohms reading is 1113 ohm. That's the normal range. You can see the chart. Secure the connectors and double check all the connections. After that, insert oven plug into the outlet. Oven is power up. Press the bake button. The feature not available message doesn't show up. And press start. It shows baking and preheating. It's working. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And also hit notification bell. You won't miss any new videos. If you like how to troubleshooting the oven not heating or take it too long to heat it up, please take a look at this video. Thank you. See you next time.